How to turn off profile views on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the eye icon at the top right of the screen next to those three lines. It will take you to this profile views page, which is already turned on. So in order for you to turn it off, you need to click on the settings gear icon at the top right of the screen, and from the pop-up window at the bottom, you want to turn the profile view history toggle off. And that's it. The profile views is now turned off and disabled. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable profile views on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.